show you how to use and to install the OmniFS OmniIndex add-on for Google Workspace. The add-on utilizes the single sign-on from Google, so you need to make sure you're signed into Google first of all, and I'll explain why that is as we go through. Once you've signed into Google, to activate the add-on, open up a Google Workspace app. I'm going to double click on my file there, which is a Sheets file, and it's going to open up Google Sheets. In the app, you can then go to the marketplace and download and install OmniFS. I've already done that, so I'm going to go from First Run. So click on the icon here. It's going to open up the sidebar, and it's going to say, would you like to give this add-on access to your account? Well, if I want to use it, then I do. So I click on Authorize, choose my user, and it's going to come up and say that the application wants to see a number of your items. We want to delete all of your Google Drive, edit, create. We need to create files, and we do delete temporary files which are held in one folder, the OmniIndex temp folder. We need to view basic details about Google Drive folders or files you select. If you want, you can save files from Google Sheets, from Google Docs, slides, into the distributed blockchain. Insert data into Google BigQuery. We are able to take from our blockchain and import via Sheets into your Google BigQuery instances. View and manage your data in Google BigQuery. So we import data in there. Edit, create, delete all your Google slide presentations. We can only actually, or we do only access them from within Google Slides and from within the OmniIndex temp folder. And the same goes for Docs and for spreadsheets. We can run as a calendar. You can see and download a calendar you can access using your Google Calendar. Again, we run within Calendar to save details into the blockchain. Now, the contentious one here may be we're sending emails on your behalf. We only send those emails, and I'll show you that in a second, when you share a document. So the only time the application can send an email on your behalf is when you go to File, Share, you put in an email address, it sends an email to that person. We can run as a Google Gmail add-on, and we connect to external services. These services are the OmniIndex platform, either your own version of it that you can download from the Google Cloud Marketplace or our SaaS offering. Send an email as I said, when you share a document. Allow this application to run when you're not present. We can index a folder, the OmniIndex temp folder, directly to the blockchain when the application, when Google Apps is not open. You have to have things in OmniIndex temp. You have to put them there to be able to do that. View country, language, and time zone, and display and run third-party web content in prompts. So these are the prompts, the alert boxes, the file manager, which again you'll see. Right, once you're happy with that, press Allow. That'll go out, authorize the application, and bring up the sidebar. So we have in the sidebar OmniIndex Corporate saying hello to me. Here we have our blockchains. I'm going to click on Demonstration. The blockchains are your Google Workspace groups. These are the groups that your administration has put in that you have access to. We use these and we create blockchains from them, which means that you can share files securely with your colleagues who also have access to those groups. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is going to bring up, we'll just bring up a little alert box by going to the OmniFS files, and we're going to save this file. So this file will be saved to the blockchain. It does that by creating a version inside OmniIndex temp folder and then taking that file from Drive and placing it onto the blockchain. As you can see, here we have an alert box, and then another one, block name has been saved. So if I now go back to extensions, OmniFS files open, we have a small file manager that opens up, showing us the blockchain folders. This is the original folder that I'd saved that from. We now have version number 5, and that's saved on the blockchain. And if I want to open that, again, double click on it. It brings the file down from the blockchain, decrypts it, saves it onto Google Drive in the OmniIndex temp folder, and then opens it up. Okay, if I go back to extensions, the other things I can do here is I can search, I can share a file. So that's where we send an email on your behalf. comes up and it shows a file. I can show redacted cells. I can redact the document. I can stop certain things being seen when I share. I can export data into BigQuery. I can bring data in from the blockchain using OData or SQL query, and I can import into the blockchain using a JSON file. So that's it. That's how you use and set up OmniFS inside Google Workspace, authorizing the application to be used, and then going on and using it, and securely placing your data into a distributed file store. Thank you very much.